So we're hoping for your blessing on
Certainly,
this
certainly,
project.
certainly.
And your guidance and your support, it will mean so much.
So any human activities or project, particularly like this, serving, helping needy people, really wonderful. I believe every human activities or actions is ultimately related with motivation. So, compassionate motivation and the inner strength, self-confidence, that brings enthusiasm or determination. And then that determination combined with affection or compassion. Then, and then of course through research, more knowledge. So all these, I think, three things combined. And then sincere motivation, helping, serving humanity. Not one because of, so one group, this group, that group, my group, not that way. Human being, humanity. If your real sort of motivation is something selfish motivation or something, then you can't carry your work transparently. Because in ultimate sense, lack of self-confidence. Since we, right from the beginning, received sort of others' affection, so everybody, 7 billion human beings, deep inside, you see, there's some kind of, how to say, because of the seed of affection there. So now that, I think we must make clear to people, even these troublemakers, they should know basic human nature is compassionate. And compassion really brings good health, not only peace of mind, but also eventually good health. Therefore, according to my own experience, my practice of my compassion, I think really immense help to maintain peace of mind. But for my knees problem, my compassion, no effect.